Hello friends, my name is Ankur and welcome back to my channel. Friends, recently we had started our English speaking course and in that course I had completed 54 lessons of it. So friends, today we are going to start English speaking part 55 in which we are going to discuss about how to use active and passive voices in our English sentences. So friends, let's start our English speaking part 55. English speaking part 55. Now we will discuss about कर्तवाच्य और कर्मवाच्य in Hindi, and in English it means active and passive voice. Friends, basically active voice is a voice in which the pressure और बल जो दिया जाता है सेंटेंस में वो डूअर के द्वारा दिया जाता है. जो डूअर करता है तो उसके सेंटेंस पर बल दिया जाता है. और जो पैसिव वॉइस होता है उसमें जो रिसीवर होता है, जो रिसीवर सेंटेंस को बोलता है तो उसके सेंटेंस पे बल दिया जाता है. तो उसको हम कहते हैं पैसिव वॉइस और उसको हम कहते हैं एक्टिव वॉइस. सो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम गोइंग टू रीड द सेंटेंसेस इन हिंदी एंड साइड बाय साइड आई विल ट्राई टू ट्रांसलेट यू इन इंग्लिश सो दैट इट बिकम्स ईजियर फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट एक्टिव एंड पैसिव वॉइसेस. एक्टिव वॉइस, वह गीत गाता है. इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स ही सिंग्स अ सॉन्ग. सो फ्रेंड्स, इट इज एक्टिव वॉइस बिकॉज द प्रेशर इज बीइंग पुट ऑन द डूअर. Now it will convert into passive voice. Passive voice, उससे गीत गाया जाता है. So in English it means a song is sung by him. So friends, basically you can see in active voice here the sentence is in present and in passive voice the sentence has been converted into past tense. So this is active voice and this is passive voice. मैंने संदेश पहुंचा दिया. So in English it means I delivered the message. Now since you can see in this sentence the pressure is being put on the doer because he delivered the message and it is a past tense. Now you can see in passive voice संदेश पहुंचा दिया गया. So in English it means the message was delivered. अब now the pressure is being put on the receiver means the message was delivered. So pressure is being put on message. So it is a passive voice and it is also a past tense. वे क्रिकेट खेलेंगे. So in English it means they will play cricket. So in this sentence basically the pressure is being put on the doer because they are mentioning that they will play cricket. वे क्रिकेट खेलेंगे and it is a future tense. And now friend, it will convert into passive voice. So now the pressure will be put on the receiver side. Cricket will be played by them. क्रिकेट उनके द्वारा खेली जाएगी. So it is also a future tense and since क्रिकेट उनके द्वारा खेली जाएगी मतलब क्रिकेट विल बी प्लेड बाय देम. सो द प्रेशर इज बीइंग पुट ऑन द रिसीवर साइड. सो इट इज ए पैसिव वॉइस. क्या तुम चिट्ठी लिख रहे हो? सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स आर यू राइटिंग अ लेटर. सो इट इज एक्टिव वॉइस फ्रेंड्स बिकॉज द प्रेशर इज बीइंग पुट ऑन अ डूअर साइड मीन्स दे आर पुटिंग प्रेशर ऑन राइटिंग अ लेटर एंड इट इज ए प्रेजेंट टेंस. सो फ्रेंड्स, now in passive voice it is a letter being written by you. So it is basically a past tense and it means क्या तुमसे पत्र लिखा जा रहा है. So friends, in this sentence the pressure is being put on the receiver side because is a letter being written by you means मेरे द्वारा वो लेटर लिखा जा रहा है तो they are putting pressure on me. So basically it is a passive voice and it is a past tense. This is a present tense and it is a past tense. मजदूर नहर खोद रहे थे. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स लेबरर्स वर डिगिंग अ कैनाल. सो फ्रेंड्स, इन दिस सेंटेंस बेसिकली इट इज ए एक्टिव वॉइस एंड इट इज ए पास्ट टेंस बिकॉज लेबरर्स वर डिगिंग अ कैनाल. सो हेयर द प्रेशर इज बीइंग पुट ऑन द डूअर साइड. डूअर आर बेसिकली लेबरर्स हु वर डिगिंग अ कैनाल, जो लेबरर्स मजदूर नहर को जो खोद रहे थे. नाउ इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू पैसिव वॉइस. मजदूरों द्वारा नहर खोदी जा रही थी. So in English it means a canal was being dug by the laborers. So friends, here you can see it is a passive voice because the pressure is being put on the receiver side. You can see a canal was being dug by the laborers. So pressure is being put on the laborers and it is on a receiver side and it is a past tense. This is active voice and this is passive voice. क्या तुमने ये काम कर लिया है? So in English it means have you finished this job? Friends, basically it is a past tense and it is an active voice sentence because the pressure is being put on the doer side. Means, have you finished this job? Means the pressure is being put on me because they have asked me to finish the job. Now it will convert into passive voice. क्या यह काम तुम्हारे द्वारा किया गया है? So in English it means, has this job been finished by you? Now here you can see friends, it is a present perfect tense because the pressure is being put on the receiver side. Means क्या यह काम तुम्हारे द्वारा किया गया है? Means they are putting pressure on me that I have done the work or not. So it is a present perfect tense and it is a passive sentence. Passive voice sentence. उसकी मदद करो. So in English it means help him. So in this sentence friends, they are basically giving command to us that please help him और उसकी मदद करो. So friends, basically it is a sentence, active voice sentence, and in this the pressure is being put on us because they are asking us to help another person. Now it will convert into passive voice. तुम अपने द्वारा उसकी सहायता होने दो. So in English it means let him be helped by you. So in this sentence they are basically, now the pressure is being put on the receiver side. Means I am the receiver, so they are putting pressure on me that I have to help that person. तुम अपने द्वारा उसकी सहायता होने दो. So in English it means let him be helped. So friends, basically it is a past tense and it is a passive voice sentence. क्या गाड़ी आने से पहले तुम अपना सामान बांध चुके होगे? So in English it means will you have packed your luggage before the train's arrival? So friends, here you can see it is a active voice sentence because the pressure is being put on the doer side. Means I am the doer because they are asking me कि क्या गाड़ी आने से पहले तुम अपना सामान बांध चुके होगे, मतलब will you have packed your luggage before the train's arrival? So they are putting pressure on doer side means for me, and it is a future tense. Now it will convert into friends passive voice type sentence. क्या गाड़ी आने से पहले तुम्हारा सामान बांधा जा चुका होगा? So in English it means will your luggage have been packed before the train's arrival? Now they are putting pressure on receiver side, and receiver side is me. So they are saying will your luggage have been packed before the train's arrival? मतलब क्या मेरा सामान गाड़ी आने से पहले मेरा सामान बांधा जा चुका होगा? So it is also a future tense and it is a passive voice sentence. And here you can see friends, both are interrogative sentence because they are being asking questions for me, about me in both the sentences. So friends, it was the English speaking part 55 in which I tried to explain you about active and passive voices. So friends, I wrote down the sentences in Hindi and tried to explain you in English side by side so that it becomes easier for you to understand about active and passive voices. So I hope friends you would have find it easier to understand about active and passive voices because active and passive voices friends play a very important role in our English language because in active and passive voices on one side, on active voice side, the pressure is being put on the doer side, the person who does or says the sentence, and in passive voice type sentence the pressure is being put on the receiver side, means the sentence is stretched for the receiver side. So friends, active and passive voices play a very important role in our English language, and their awareness, basics and knowledge is very important if we want to become a fluent English speaker and if we want to speak fluent English and confident English in front of another person. So friends, kindly practice these sentences in your spare time, either in front of mirror or try to talk with your friends, with your parents or relatives. And friends, keep practicing these sentences day by day. So ultimately what will happen friends, that you will find that your confidence has increased, your hesitation will remove, and ultimately you will find that your English speaking has become quietly improved day by day, and you will find that English language is quite simple and easy to speak. So friends, kindly like, share, subscribe my channel and do press the bell icon in the subscription box, and I will also share my Instagram and Facebook link in the description box below. So friends, please keep supporting me so that I may bring you more important English speaking topics so that it becomes more interesting for you and you find it much more easier to learn, read, write and speak about English language. So friends, thanks for your valuable and precious time. Have a nice day.